Hello students, welcome to the GK class. Now before I start the new topic, let me show what we are going to do today. Now, we are going to have a recap of our previous class. Then I will be showing you the difference between the plants and animals. Then I will be giving you an assignment and the last will be the summary. Now, before I start with this, let me tell you what we did in our previous class. In our previous class, we came to know that there are different places where plants and animals live. And to adapt to that environment, they adjust accordingly. Yes, plants as well as animals, they adjust to their environment. Now here goes our next topic. Animals and human beings shows all the features of living things. Despite the similarities that the plants and animals shows, they have many differences between them. Locomotion. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter and water. They show a variety in their movements. For example, they can walk, glide, swim, fly and run. This ability is called locomotion. Plants do not show locomotion. They remain fixed to the ground. They prepare their own food. Only some parts of plants show movement. Plants make food. Animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. And animals eat plants. For examples, goat, deer, rabbit, etc. eat plants and tiger, lions, wolves, etc. eat these animals. Some animals eat flesh. For example, goats, deer, rabbits, etc. eat plants and tiger, lions, wolves, etc. eat these animals. Now let's talk about breathing. Fish breathe through gills, you can see. So animals breathe through their lungs. Fish breathe through their gills, as I said. Frogs breathe through their lungs and skin. And insects have tiny holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. You can see in the picture small openings in insects. Now let's talk about plants. Plants breathe through small openings called stomata present on the surface of their leaves. You can see there is a stomata on a leaf. Yes, plants breathe through stomata. Reproduction. Animals either give birth to their young ones or lay eggs from which young ones hatch out. Most plants produce seeds. There are some plants which grow from a part of the plant like stem or roots. For example, plants grow from rose plants, grow from the stem and sweet potatoes grows from the roots. Now let us talk about the sense organs. Animals have sense organs, that is skin, ears, eyes, nose and tongue. They use these sense organs to feel and respond to changes in their surroundings. Plants respond to their surroundings, but they do not have sense organs. Now very interesting. Relationship between plants and animals. Animals depend on plants for food and oxygen. Plants also depend on animals. They prepare food with the help of a gas called carbon dioxide which is given out by animals while breathing. From the picture you can see that the plant is giving to the animals what? Oxygen and food. And in return what animals are giving? Carbon dioxide, seed dispersal and manure. So, plants also depend on animals for spreading their seeds and for manure. very basic general knowledge. Please remember this. Carbon dioxide is harmful to breathe for animals. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out a gas called oxygen. This gas is taken in by animals while breathing. This is very important, students have knowledge of this. So, in this way, plants and animals depend upon each other for exchange of gases. So students, I hope you enjoyed knowing about the interdependence on plants and animals, and also came to know about some differences which were very basic, right? So now here goes your assignment. Write 2 differences between plants and animals. And here, no need to learn. Just whatever comes in your mind after seeing the video, write 2 differences between the plants and animals. Note, and this work should be done in R&B.